Welcome to Peerless Biotech. Normally, when we start getting infections, the usual symptom starts with sore throat and cough. And we will not be able to sleep at night due to increased secretion and breathing difficulties. We at PeerBio have introduced a nebulizer which relieves from breathing difficulties and secretion. This nebulizer contains a pediatric and adult mask, chamber, buds, mouthpiece, and the tubing. Before we start the procedure, connect the tubing with the machine and then to the chamber. Then open the chamber and pour the prescribed medication. Now connect to the adult or pediatric mask to the chamber. Then keep the mask on the face. Take the medication by opening your mouth. After the procedure is complete, open the chamber and wash it with tap water. Thanks for watching the video. For more information, contact 60093 90093 or you can also visit us on www.peerlessbio.com.